When to fire a property management company to maximize profit. Welcome to Real Estate TV. I'm Adnan Jalo. Do you want to know when to fire a property manager to maximize profit and things that should not be tolerated from a property management company? Then you're in the right video. So stay tuned till the end. Realize that you pay for what you receive in property management, and the manner in which you handle your property management business will directly influence how they treat you. It must be a mutually respectful and transparently accountable relationship. Additionally, there must be mutual trust. These partnerships so proceed as such. If you adopt a we versus them mentality, you will ultimately lose in the long run. There are three basic reasons to fire a property manager. The first reason is if the property itself performs poorly, particularly if it performs worse than the investor had anticipated. Improving the property's functioning may necessitate a change. The second reason to fire is if the property's operations do not improve or remain the same from year to year. No improvement? That's not why you purchased the property, is it? The third reason a property manager can be fired is if the property outperforms investor expectation. The reason for the firing is that the management looks easy and a property manager is not needed. When a property is doing so well, the investor can complete the task without incurring a cost. Now, let's take a look at the things that should not be tolerated from property management company. One, a corporation that lacks a partner mentality and does not engage with the property owner on matters such as market conditions that affect supply and demand. Two, a business that neglects the physical condition of the property. If a piece of trash is on the ground, the property manager should not step over it. Three, a company that has a high employee turnover in any area. This makes building a relationship difficult. Or a corporation with inconsistent or incomplete reporting. Note, if you overpaid for a property and expect the property management to work miracles and save you, you'll be disappointed. And as a property owner, you might feel quite powerful, but do not abuse the authority. Turning your property into a revolving door of property managers is inefficient and detrimental to your success. Consider a long-term partnership that generates momentum and revenues. Choose wisely in the beginning, treat one another with respect, and remain loyal to your property management partner. In exchange, they will provide you with superior service and the desired returns. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has provided you some valuable information. Just remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment.